Plant FAQs. Astrophytum myriostigma, Bishop's Cap Cactus. Astrophytum myriostigma, your ultimate care guide. Astrophytum myriostigma, commonly known as the Bishop's Cap Cactus, is a strikingly unique plant that adds a touch of desert charm to any collection. I've had my fair share of experience with this fascinating cactus, and I'm excited to share everything you need to know to keep it thriving. What is Astrophytum myriostigma? Astrophytum myriostigma is a species of cactus native to northeastern Mexico. It's renowned for its star-shaped appearance and ribbed, greenish-gray body, which can sometimes have white flecks. Unlike many cacti, it lacks spines, making it an attractive and low-maintenance option for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. How do I care for my Astrophytum myriostigma? Caring for Astrophytum myriostigma is relatively straightforward if you follow a few essential guidelines. Light. This cactus thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. A south or west-facing window is ideal. However, it can also handle a few hours of direct sunlight each day. Too much direct sunlight can cause sunburn, so monitor its exposure and adjust as necessary. Temperature. Astrophytum myriostigma prefers temperatures between 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 32 degrees Celsius, during the day and a bit cooler at night. It's important to protect it from frost and extreme cold temperatures. If you're in a region with colder winters, consider bringing it indoors or using a frost protection cover. Watering. One of the most common issues with cactus care is overwatering. For Astrophytum myriostigma, water it thoroughly when the soil is completely dry. Typically, this means watering every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer, and reducing frequency in the winter months. Ensure the pot has good drainage to prevent root rot. Soil. Use a well-draining cactus mix or make your own by mixing regular potting soil with sand and perlite. Good drainage is crucial to avoid waterlogged soil. Fertilizing. Feed your cactus with a diluted cactus fertilizer once a month during the growing season. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive growth and weaken plant health. How to propagate Astrophytum myriostigma. Propagation of Astrophytum myriostigma can be done through seeds or offsets. From seeds, sow seeds in a well-draining cactus mix and keep them warm and humid. Lightly cover the seeds and place them in a bright area but out of direct sunlight. Germination can take a few weeks. From offsets. Once the plant produces offsets, carefully separate them from the main cactus using a clean, sharp knife. Allow the offsets to callus over for a few days before planting them in a separate pot with cactus soil. Can you grow Astrophytum myriostigma indoors? Yes, Astrophytum myriostigma is an excellent candidate for indoor growing. It adapts well to indoor environments as long as it receives sufficient light. A south-facing window or grow light will provide the brightness it needs. Ensure good airflow around the plant and avoid high humidity levels, which can lead to rot. Is Astrophytum myriostigma toxic? No, Astrophytum myriostigma is not toxic to pets or humans. It's safe to have around children and animals, making it a great addition to any household or office space. What to plant with Astrophytum myriostigma? When choosing companion plants, opt for species with similar care requirements. Other cacti or succulents such as Echinopsis, Lithops, or Haworthia make excellent companions. These plants also enjoy bright light and well-draining soil, creating a harmonious display. Common problems with Astrophytum myriostigma. Overwatering. The most frequent issue I encounter is overwatering. This can lead to root rot and fungal infections. Always let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Sunburn. While it enjoys sunlight, too much direct exposure can cause sunburn. Look for signs like brown or scorched patches on the cactus and adjust its placement accordingly. Pests. Watch out for mealybugs and spider mites. Regular inspection and proper care can help prevent infestations. If you notice pests, treat them with an appropriate insecticidal soap or neem oil. How does Astrophytum myriostigma compare to other cacti? Astrophytum myriostigma often gets confused with similar-looking cacti like Astrophytum asterias and Astrophytum capricorn. Astrophytum asterias, known as the star cactus, it has a more rounded appearance and often features small, cone-like tubercles. Astrophytum capricorn. This cactus has more pronounced ribs and spines, distinguishing it from the spineless Myriostigma. In summary, Astrophytum myriostigma is a unique and low-maintenance cactus that can bring a touch of the desert into your home. By following proper care guidelines and understanding its needs, you can ensure it remains a vibrant and captivating part of your plant collection.